Good afternoon, traders. Today it's 8th of July 2025, and I'm here with the market analysis. And I will use my indicators, the market turning points, and the market mirror indicator to give the analysis on the different currency pairs gold, Bitcoin, Bank Nifty. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand that if you want to book the lifetime version of any of the indicator, the market turning points or the market mirror indicator, you can contact through Telegram, you can contact through email, and you can find the email and Telegram link in the description of this video below. Okay, right now I am on the AUDJPY chart. So what you see that we have the buy signal from the market turning points indicator and the buy opportunity from the market turning points indicator. So we will definitely not go for that one because the price is already overbought. But when we talk about this type of signal, the buy opportunity, this is perfectly fine. Okay, now just look at the market mirror indicator. The price is above, staying above the zero. It's not a first breakout, and the price is very comfortable above the zero. Now you can see there are bullish chances. Okay, so if we talk about here, so already I can say that we can skip AUDJPY for now because the price is really overbought right now. Okay, so if we talk about Great Britain pound JPY, so this level that you can see here, that is the good level because right now the price is above the zero level, so bullish, and 198.200 level could be a good reaction point for the market, and the market can turn again bullish from here. If we go to gold and okay, now if you just look at gold, so what's happening on gold? Previously you can see there was a buying opportunities and the price was above the zero level, so it was bullish. Right now you can see it's going below the zero, but it has not even entered into the bearish values, like now bearish negative values that you can see on the right hand side. So let's have a look on the 5-minute chart and let's see what's going on the 5-minute chart. If we look on the 5-minute chart, then the price is almost touching the yes, it's inside the negative value because it crossed the 4,000 as well, and it's near to the 8,000. So this is what we can say, that this is if the levels get fixed, so this could be a bearish chance on gold for the scalping on the 5-minute. And if we go to the 15-minute time frame, so let's see, because this is what you need to take care of, that because this level was drawn when the price was going up, because the market turning points is the real time indicator. Now this buy opportunity level is not valid anymore because it was developed, this level was created when the price was going up from here. Okay, so if it breaks that level, then it means that our next target on the gold 15-minute is available at 3302, 3307, and this is the whole area for the bullish opportunity. Otherwise, because you can see the market is entering into the bearish zones, so let's see what happens later on. Okay, so overall, so far it looks bearish. If we talk about the pound USD, now this thing is very clear to you. Just look at the market mirror indicator. It has entered into the negative value, so I will consider it to be the bearish, and then the last levels can act as a good reversal point, because now you are not looking because right now you cannot see any selling levels here, but as I told you, the market turning points is the real time indicator, so might be it will create a sell opportunity here again, and then the price can go down again from here to the lower side. So this is the real time. Okay, so overall, as per pound USD, the market has entered into the bearish values, and if we talk about euro USD, it's little bit confused right here, but if it crossed the margin of minus 25 here, then again it's also bearish. Okay, if we go to USD CHF, it's still bullish because you can see it's still a bullish pattern. The market came to eat the liquidity. It's above the zero, so I can consider this one to be the bullish one. Let's have a look on Australian dollar USD. It's bullish. It's above the level, so we should be looking for the bullish chances in that case. If we go to the Bank Nifty, might be yesterday I told about the bullish move, and again you can see it's very settled above the zero, so bullish expectation can be seen. On the Nifty, it's again bullish. You can see above the zero, we can consider a bullish trend. And Bitcoin, yes. Now, this was the first breakout, and now it looks like the Bitcoin is staying above the zero. So, what you can do, anything that you found at the when you find the price at some low point, go for a buy position, because this is what advised on Bitcoin, that above the zero, we should only be looking for a bullish chances, nothing else. Even same with the Sol USDTD, is it's bullish, and if we go to USDJPY, you can see it was clearly bullish, and you can see it's making a bullish pattern, and the price is going up. So that is why the market mirror indicator plus the market turning points indicator, they work perfectly fine. They are a very good combination, but definitely we cannot trade the first breakout. Like for example, that's a bearish breakout, but we need to see. But right now, the market looks very beautiful to go into the downward direction. So, guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Hopefully, you will trade according to it. And if you make profits, share the screenshots on the Telegram group. And second thing, if you want to book the lifetime version of the market turning points indicator, market mirror indicator, you can contact through Telegram or email. Please find the links in the description of this video. Thank you very much.